Hey, it's Tim. It's about 9:40, and emerging markets continue to trudge slightly higher. I think the speculation on the China numbers, especially the inflation numbers coming out tonight, is something that's given a little bit of a boost to the Asia trade. China was up the A shares. We talked about this yesterday. At 2,700 was a pretty key level. Good bounce last night, up almost 2%. The rest of Asia continues to trade a little tired, but in the case of some of the markets that had been so badly beaten up, I think you continue to watch 18,000 on the Sensex for a place to reengage. I'm not sure. Technically, this 19,000 level is a place it can break back through. Although that was kind of the old support intra-rally on the move from September into early January. But again, target 18,000 there, and I think you pick your spots here on the inflation front. We're getting a lot more signals out of Brazil that the inflation trends there are not any better. In fact, some of my guys on the ground are telling me when they're meeting with companies that the first thing they point to is a labor shortage and things that are not going to go away anytime soon. That in fact, a lot of the companies, as they seek to increase production, et cetera, are running into a skilled labor issue, which is real inflation and something which ultimately will feed back into the real economy. The story on the global commodity trade remains, I think, very well bid, and I think very highly attended by speculators. So the soft spot of the space, and it's definitely been cotton, it's been wheat, it's been soy, continuing to trade higher, and it's been very supportive for the fertilizer stocks. The news that Mosaic may be spun out of Cargill is given not only a bid to that stock, but a sense that the M&A activity in that sector continues. I think it does. I think from a trading perspective, you're in a place where a number of these names look very, very overbought. Despite, I think you're all aware, I'm a huge believer in the big picture food cycling story and the shortages and the social support system that all the sovereigns, especially in Asia and Latin America, need to attend to. So keep an eye on that, but markets feel a little tired here, even though people want to talk to 2.5-year highs on EM. I actually think that the index has been struggling here for probably a month, and we need to get a little more clarity on both global inflation and on some of the real demand stories. So watching U.S. earnings is going to be a big part of that, but we've gotten through some of the big boys, and technically the market hasn't been able to push through these levels. Talk to you soon.